A year ago, the city of Freeport experienced historic devastation. Residents were displaced, roads were shut down, and classes were canceled in the public schools. Businesses were also destroyed. It happened when the swollen Pecatonica River flooded, forcing city and state officials to issue a disaster declaration. 1 year later, residents are still trying to recover, but will things ever get better? As it happens, flooding in Freeport could actually worsen over time.
This area that we're standing in isn't a flood zone.
1 year ago, the Pecatonica River in Freeport crested.
Officials say this is the worst it's been in decades.
Frantic, desperate, and in utter disbelief.
Hell on earth.
At over 17 feet, the river surpassed major flood stage, landing in the top 10 highest crests since record-keeping began.
We're completely displaced, and my daughter. And so we had to go stay at Highland Community College. We stayed there for 7 days. Whatever clothes that we had, is what we were wearing. We were not allowed to come back in.
Sean Starry's basement flooded entirely, eventually seeping into the main living area of his home. To make matters worse, the electric box was ruined, freezing his basement into a solid block of ice as temperatures plunged later that week.
The worst nightmare I've ever lived through.
Sean is still in his home and says he doesn't have the resources to fix the aftermath of last year's flooding or leave. But scientists say flooding like what we saw last year could become more common with heavier rainfalls, higher river levels in general, and greater seasonal extremes.
There's definitely an upward trend in the amount of water flowing by that gauge every year.
Flooding is nothing new along the Pecatonica River, though. In fact, it's easier to look at years where flooding did not occur.
There have been 14 years since 1935 that we have not reached action stage. Many years we're at least reaching action stage once during the year.
Take last year, for example. Precipitation amounts in Freeport were 147% of average, with over 53 inches of rain. Last year's cold and snowy winter didn't help, but still, the threat for flooding this year is high despite the overall mild winter.
One of the other big similarities is just the soil moisture. Last year, we were really wet in the soils across that southern tier of Wisconsin, northern Illinois, which is the watershed for the Pecatonica River. So that is very similar.
Scientists say it isn't a matter of if Freeport will flood again, but when. With that in mind, residents like Sean and Hope Starry are hoping for the best, but bracing for the worst, with very few options left.
We can't afford to move somewhere.
And hoping home can stay dry and safe. For your 13 Weather Authority,